Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, and we are actually on the highway that's being constructed, and we're going to take a look at the progress. We're going to take a quick tour. We are in the Rio Mino area, the Maypen area, and straight ahead is the Rio Mino Bridge that's being constructed. Now when finished, this is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica. You can see how wide it's going to be. In the middle, that's going to be the concrete barricade. And then on the left and the right is the lanes. Now this is the actual highway that's going to run all the way to Mandeville. Just going to take a quick tour. Now this highway is a part of the Highway 2000 project. And the Highway 2000 is going to run, the highway is going to run from Kingston to Mandeville, and then from Mandeville to Montego Bay. But this is the section that's, I guess you could say, complete. No, the Kingston to Maypen section is completed. This section is about 70% complete, but the roadway is finished in this section. Or we're driving on the highway, so it's going to be a dual carriageway, 4 lanes, similar to the highway that runs from Kingston to Maypen now. So this is going to be a toll road, but it's the toll is reasonable. To drive from Kingston to Maypen in a Class 2 vehicle is about $1,000. That's not bad. So the Maypen to Mandeville leg, I'm not sure how much more that's going to be, but it's reasonable when you look at the road you're going to be driving on and the time it's going to take. It will take you 45 minutes from Kingston to Mandeville. I mean, that's unheard of in Jamaica. This is a very nice road. I'm most impressed. I love to see the progress. And the work is being done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and it's a joint venture between the China Exim Bank and the government of Jamaica. And the NWA, the National Works Agency, is the Jamaican agency that's responsible for the work. And the NWA is now in the Ministry of Economic Growth. And I must say they're doing an excellent job in building out these highways. Looks like they're doing some construction up ahead, so we're just going to turn around here.